This is the 275th Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud. It's found in Tractate Chulin, page 92b. Not sure where it is on the page. I'm looking at it from a computer, but it's from the words Ve'eno noheg ba'of v'ha ka chazinan di'islay. From those words. Chulin 92b. This is the 275th Taiku according to Rabbi Aharon Yeshua Pessin's book Taiku. He lists all of the Taikus, meaning the unanswered questions in Babylonian Talmud. And here we are. The Mishnah teaches in 89b, that the prohibition of eating the sciatic nerve, the Gid Hanasheh, does not apply to a bird. I didn't know a bird has a sciatic nerve. Well, okay, I guess it does. So the Gid Hanasheh doesn't apply to a bird due to the fact that the verse is referring to the sciatic nerve as being upon the spoon of the thigh. Maybe it doesn't apply to a bird because the bird doesn't have it. And that's the case, then why do you even have to say that? Okay, anyway, Genesis 32:33. Okay, a bird has no spoon of the thigh. The Gemara challenges, but we see that it does have a protrusion of flesh on its thigh. The Gemara answers, it has a protrusion, but that protrusion is not rounded. Okay. Boy Rabbi Yirmiyah raises a dilemma. I mentioned that Rabbi Yirmiyah seems to be in a lot of Taikus. But anyway, Boy Rabbi Yirmiyah, Islay la'oif ve'agil, Islay le'behem v'lo my basar didez linan or basar minez linan. Taiku. Rabbi Yirmiyah raises a dilemma. If a bird has a protrusion on its thigh bone and it is rounded, or if an animal has a protrusion on its thigh bone but it's not rounded, what's the halacha? Because the Gid Hanasheh has to be rounded. So do we follow it? Meaning, does the status of the sciatic nerve depend upon the physical properties of each particular animal, or do we follow the species so that the sciatic nerve of an animal is always forbidden, that bird, and of a bird is always permitted? We don't know. We need to wait until the coming of Messiah to have the answer to this by Elijah the prophet. That's how the tradition goes.